Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I decided to put together this quick tutorial on how I revamped my kitchen table. I started off with this console table here and decided to create a miniature farmhouse table. I used wood Gorilla Glue to connect these 4 boards together, and I had them cut at 4 feet long. The boards on the end are 28.5 inches long, and I glued those pieces together. And look y'all, I think my cat thinks she's one of the weights. She's holding the boards down for me. To make sure the boards were secure, I took this flat plate. I'm not sure what it's called, but I took that flat piece and screwed it to all of the boards, the side boards and the 4 boards. I took this wood filler, this stainable wood filler, and put it in all the cracks because I had a horrible experience at Lowe's, which I will never go to Lowe's again to get my wood cut, not the one by me, because he cut the wood so wrong. I needed a lot of wood filler to fill in those cracks. Since I had to use so much wood filler, I let it dry overnight and sanded it down the next day. Next, I took the base off of my console table and painted it black. When the black dried, I took my completed board, and it already had holes in it, so I just screwed it into the tabletop. I found that it was much easier to stain once I had the legs on the table, so I used my favorite carbon gray stain and finished it off with some polyacrylic. I really hope this video helped those of you out there that were looking to make your own farmhouse table. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye guys!